YCharts PDF Reports feature allows you to export data sets directly from the site in clean, easy to read, and printer-friendly PDF formats. So as an example today within our comp tables tool, I've gone ahead and pulled in some representative sector ETFs from the S&P 500, as well as relevant valuation metrics. Now, obviously, this could be helpful to understand which areas of the market might be under or overvalued. So once we're happy with our data set, we can navigate to the top of the page and click on the export function and download a PDF. Simply, we can then customize our title and click download, which we can see in just a second or two. We'll spit out a nice, easy to read, formatted report here, similar to what we saw directly on the site. It even pulled in our same column ordering and titles, and same thing with the ordering of our rows. Additionally, in the bottom left-hand corner, you can see that there's a custom logo, this one specifically for Northwestern Mutual. You can actually do the exact same for your organization as well to keep your branding consistent. Now, aside from using this feature within our comp tables tool, many advisors appreciate being able to use this within our time series piece, which is what actually allows you to be able to show past data points. And this example, again, is using those same sector ETFs, but this time we're showing quarterly returns dating back to Q1 of 2020. So again, once we've built the data set here, we can navigate to the export function, download a PDF, put in any custom titling, and pull that open here, which again, you can see the formatting looks a whole lot similar, still having that custom logo in the bottom left-hand corner as well.